Every great landscape begins with a vision, a spark of imagination brought to life through passion, expertise, and innovation. At BrightView, we also believe every landscape has the power to inspire, wow, or comfort. And we're here to unlock that potential. Our journey began with the legacy of two industry pioneers, the Brickman Group and Valley Crest, whose unwavering commitment to detailed excellence built the foundation we proudly stand on today. As the nation's premier single-source partner for commercial landscaping, we are proud to be the biggest. But our goal has always been to be the best. From Fortune 500 campuses and residential communities, to educational, healthcare, hospitality, and sports and leisure destinations, we create spaces that inspire, connect, and endure. At BrightView, our expertise spans every aspect of landscaping. Our clients trust us not only to bring their visions to life, but to care for them long after the initial build is complete. Through our development services, we transform ideas into reality with expertise in landscape architecture, irrigation, and specialized installations, ensuring each project is crafted with precision and creativity. Once a project is completed, we offer seamless continuity with our maintenance services, providing tailored, recurring solutions that ensure landscapes remain beautiful, healthy, and functional year-round. BrightView's greatest strength is our 20,000 skilled, experienced, and hard-working team members. While prioritizing safety and service excellence, they continuously deliver results that go beyond expectations. We are builders of trust, cultivators of beauty, and champions of sustainability. Our scale may be our advantage, but it's our local touch that sets us apart. From coast to coast, we bring the resources of a national leader to the communities we proudly serve, offering customized solutions that meet the distinct needs of every client. And when the unexpected happens, BrightView is there. Whether responding to storms or natural disasters, we mobilize quickly to protect and restore what matters most to you. We're not just landscaping, we're transforming an industry with tremendous growth potential. With a focus on customer service, innovation, and excellence, we are setting the standard for what it means to be the provider of choice in commercial landscaping. At BrightView, the future is bright. And together, we're shaping tomorrow, one extraordinary landscape at a time.